This is of kind, vanilla, blueberry, healthy grains, chewy with a crunch squares. Okay. They're made with 5 super grains, and they're gluten-free because they use oats, millet, buckwheat, amaranth, and quinoa. Let's see. No GMO. And here are the nutrition facts and the ingredients. Nice picture. Okay. There's not much of a smell. The taste is fine. I can kind of taste the blueberry, vanilla, but it's not a very pronounced flavor. The flavors are all kind of, mixed together. So it's nice. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.